What up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to today's video. So 2019 was apparently one of the best years on YouTube, not just because it was the end of an era, but because it was the birth of a new genius into the world of content creation. Who are we talking about? Can I hear the drum beat rolling, bro? I mean Jared West. Now, what made this guy such a spectacular and kind of like a genius, and like I can't really figure out if there's a replica of him, is that while others are busy speedrunning Minecraft, doing other shit on YouTube, Jared Wells was busy speedrunning online hustling. Bro, just take a look at his channel, bro. How I earned 517, how I was making 10k per month. I forget to like 0 to 100 Instagram. Bro, like this guy was totally on fire.
Goal is to make $100 using Instagram in the fastest amount of time possible. Don't get at least 3 sales in 5 days. On this video, I'm actually going to be showing you everything and exactly what I did each month to grow a source of income from nothing to £10,000 at age 15.
We can't still just get a replica of this guy. Like, this guy was everything that YouTube has to offer. Not just that alone, he actually speedrun several channels to 100,000 subscribers, to even as high as 1 million subscribers, bro.
McYum completely blew up. I went from 5,000 to 100,000 subscribers in a week, something that had taken years beforehand. I would post a video and in 2 hours it would get 100,000 views. My fake speedrun video now had 3 million views, TikToks were blowing up, YouTubers I had previously grown up watching were reaching out to me for collaborations. And the money side of things, something I hadn't even considered. $10,000 in 7 days.
Bro, like this guy was totally everything. Like back in 2019, Bihaze, Jared West, Joe Jones, Jordan Welsh, bro, they were the king of YouTube online hustling. But all of a sudden, he just disappeared from the world of content creation. What really happened? I can't really figure it out. But I think he left us with a clue.
I have things I need to do, which I'm currently running away from.
I was posting dumb 2-minute videos once a month, constantly procrastinating, undisciplined. Months of August, October, and November, I made just shy of $100,000. But there was one main problem. I wasn't enjoying it anymore. I lacked the purpose behind McYum. I lacked that initial vision, the excitement. I was just maintaining McYum because it was now my job.
Everything feels so mundane and routine.
Jared West was one of the best content creators back in the days, and I wish he can return back to making videos. Occasionally, he just come and just maybe drop how much he has made in the last maybe 1 year. But without those vibe of videos are no longer coming again.